Welcome back. It's Kansas Fishing Outdoors. Got my man Marcus out here fishing with a light action telescopic rod. He's got a fish on.
Carp?
He said
Oh no, it's a drum.
A big drum.
And I got my worm. Last worm. And that's KFO. That's that. There he goes. Kansas Fishing Outdoors.